Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. Today, let me show you how to install a downspout adapter properly. This is common. People do this stuff all the time, and I follow behind so many people that say they're contractors, and this is just not right. Take a look.
Someone had come out here and convinced this homeowner to install 7-inch commercial grade gutters as well as 4x6 downspouts. That was not the problem here. There was some water intrusion, but it really needed to be, exterior foundation waterproofing is what we did here. But they installed this, and look at the difference here between 7-inch and 5-inch K-style gutter. Can you see the difference? That 5-inch is more than enough to move the water from this roof, but someone had convinced him to do this, and so we've got to solve this problem of the downspout adapter. Although this is an oversized downspout, it applies to all regular-sized downspouts as well. If you're a DIYer or maybe a new contractor, this is not the proper connection, not the proper adapter to hook up this downspout, whether it be this huge oversized or a regular 2x3 or 3x4. We need to go straight down the wall and into the ground to get that proper professional look.
So we're going to make this go straight down into the ground. Start by taking this apart. Then we're going to dig straight down and put a 90 on it and replace all of this.
Real secret here is to dig straight down that wall. We see this a lot from DIYs and from other contractors. This is an easy problem to fix.
Yes, that is a huge, oversized downspout. And you can see the fitting that we're going to put on here is actually 6-inch. And we're going to have to reduce that down to 4 and tie that into this drain tile. So again, the real secret is you've got to go straight down the wall for that professional look. And if you come off to the side, it just won't look right. You can see there's a lot of tree roots here. That's probably why these people didn't do that. And I know that they didn't have the downspout adapter. That's something that drainage companies have that other smaller companies just don't have.
Just trying to be careful.
So you notice how we're scraping that wall? That's the secret. You got to go straight down the wall, and then you can put your 90 there at the bottom and make a very good connection and a very nice downspout drain. To give you an example of the size of this downspout, this is a 3x4. This is actually an oversized downspout. But take a look at the difference. This is a commercial grade downspout, and it's really overkill for the house, but this is what they got. So, and you can see here's another example of a 3x4. See that? You can see how much bigger this piece is. Remember, it's supposed to go to 6-inch, and we're going to reduce that to 4-inch. So we've got a couple of different couplings. This is a slip coupling, goes from 4-inch to 6-inch, and it just slides right inside of here. We'll glue all this up here in just a second, but we're going to start our measurements. So I'm going to slide this guy up here just to get started. Then we're going to get the 4-inch 90 and put this down here at the bottom of the trench. We're going to make a measurement from the top of this coupling to the inside of this coupling, so we can set a piece of 4-inch in there. I'm just going to transfer the measurement. You can see it's a hole saw.
By coming straight down the wall, you can see it's a little bit of work, but yeah, you can do this. And that 90 is the difference. Come straight down the wall, then your pipe can turn and come straight on out into your main line.
Okay, so what we had to do was go from this oversized downspout. Remember that this is actually a 4x6 downspout, and that means it's going to go to 6-inch pipe. There's 2 fittings here, the downspout adapter and the 4x6 reducer. Okay, so then we've got solid PVC down to a solid 90, and then we adapted to their pipe, which is the 4-inch corrugated. So it looks so good this way. And again, when you call out a company to come do your work, make sure that they are a drainage company. And again, the secret is to go straight up to that wall. It's so important. and this will come out and look like a professional install. And this is something you guys can do yourselves. If you see that company coming out there and kind of coming off at an angle like that, tell them to stop. They'll do what you ask. Just tell them to stop and make it right.
This is a great tip because it's aesthetically proper, and when you go to sell that house, this is going to make a major difference.
But doesn't that look so much better? So much better. And this is the way that your install should come out. These are professional tips for the DIY. You can make this look like a professional install.
Remember, the object of the downspout drain tile is to move the water away from the home. And with a little bit of work, you can achieve this result, and I promise you it will make a big difference when you go to sell the house.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Live help, video consultation via Zoom. That's our new platform. The cost is $90 per session, and I can answer any question that you have. I can help you achieve results like this. That's from a French drain. Look at the water coming out of that pipe. If you have questions, Live Help is the way to go. Get the help you need. Sign up online.